Number 1. 1979 Buick LeSabre. Listed for $3,500 in Williamsburg, Ohio, this 1979 Buick LeSabre features a Buick 350 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The car runs and drives well, having been used as a daily driver on sunny days. It's mostly original, with the only modifications being an electric radiator fan and an AVS2 carburetor. The vehicle does need some minor work, that including one rear tire replacement due to a broken belt and a brake bleed for the rear. Overall, this LeSabre offers a solid, classic driving experience and is a great option for someone looking for a vintage car at an affordable price. Number 2. 1979 Ford Thunderbird. Listed for $3,000 in Honea, South Carolina, this 1979 Ford Thunderbird comes equipped with a 302 V8 engine, C4 automatic transmission, and a 9-inch rear axle. The car is in running and driving condition with a clean title. Despite its age, the Thunderbird remains in great shape with low mileage and appears to be mostly original, except for the painted top. The tires are in good condition, making it a solid option for those interested in a classic vehicle. However, there are some minor issues that may need attention. The seller is firm on the price and not interested in trades. Number 3. 1973 GMC G10C10 Sierra 454. This 1973 GMC G10C10 Sierra, listed for $5,000 in Mustang, Oklahoma, is a rare find with its factory big block 454 engine. It's a long bed, half-ton truck that's mostly untouched, retaining its original factory AC, heat, and radio. The truck will run if bottle-fed, making it a promising project. The body is in good shape with only a few dents on the passenger side and tailgate, and the bed floor is smooth without damage. The green exterior paint could be brought back to life with a good buff, and all the glass is intact. Inside, the truck features a brown vinyl seat and dash with wood grain door panels. Note that there is no title, but a notarized bill of sale is offered. Number 4. Tulsa 1973 Mercury Comet. Listed at $4,000 in Mountainburg, Arkansas, this 1973 Mercury Comet is a solid option for those looking for a classic ride. It features a 250 inline-6 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission. The car runs well and has been used as a daily driver. The exterior is white and the interior is tan. The seller is open to trades or a cash offer. With 3 or more previous owners, it's a reliable and functional classic. Number 5. 1977 Dodge D150 regular cab long bed. Listed for $5,000 in Greenville, Texas, this 1977 Dodge D150 is a nearly finished project truck, perfect for a first-time owner or a classic truck enthusiast. The vehicle features a smooth-running 318 engine, paired with a recently rebuilt 727 automatic transmission, which comes with a 1-year warranty from Bowers Transmission. The truck is about 80% complete, with some gauges needing repair or replacement. With its black exterior and brown interior, this D150 presents a solid and stylish option. The seller describes it as an ideal choice for a teenager's first truck or for someone looking to complete a project. The vehicle has a clean title and is ready for the final touches to make it road ready. Number 6. 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2-door. Listed for $5,000 in Houston, Texas, this 1964 Ford Thunderbird is in excellent condition and ready for a new owner. With its classic burgundy exterior, this Thunderbird is a great example of 1960s American automotive design. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a gasoline engine. The vehicle has a clean title, and the seller mentions that it runs well. This Thunderbird is priced at $5,000, which the seller notes as a down payment indicating possible financing options. This classic car offers a solid foundation for any enthusiast looking to own a piece of automotive history. Number 7. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Listed for $4,900 in Edinburgh, Texas, this 1970 Chevrolet Nova presents an excellent opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Sporting a green exterior and black interior, this classic car comes equipped with a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. Although it has been parked for about 8 years and is not currently running, the motor spins freely, indicating potential for revival. The car has some rust, as shown in the photos, but the interior is complete, making it a solid candidate for a project car. With a clean Texas title, this Nova is priced at $4,900, offering a great starting point for anyone looking to bring this iconic muscle car back to life. Number 8. 1977 Ford Granada. Listed for $3,700 in Harlingen, Texas, this 1977 Ford Granada offers a classic look with a striking red exterior and matching red interior. Equipped with a manual transmission and a 0.3-liter engine, this vintage vehicle is a unique find for enthusiasts of classic cars. However, it does not come with air conditioning, as noted by the seller. Despite this, its vibrant color and classic design make it a standout option for those looking to add a piece of automotive history to their collection. This Ford Granada is priced to sell and is perfect for a buyer who appreciates the charm of vintage cars. Number 9. 1976 Chevrolet K10. Listed for $4,000 in Shoshone, Wyoming, this 1976 Chevrolet K10 is a rugged truck with a 4-inch lift and 33-inch tires. It's powered by a 400 small block engine paired with a TH350 transmission and features a NP203 full-time 4x4 transfer case. The odometer shows 35,664 miles, but the actual mileage is likely 135,664 due to the odometer rollover. The truck runs and drives well, although it has some rust, making it ideal as a work truck or a project for a classic truck enthusiast. The power steering does whine, but the seller includes an extra pump with the purchase. This K10 is a solid option for those seeking a durable, classic truck at a reasonable price. Number 10. Nostripe 1907 Ford Granada, listed for $3,000 in Millville, West Virginia. This 1977 Ford Granada offers a classic driving experience with its 302 V8 engine. The vehicle runs, drives, and stops well, and even includes factory air conditioning. Recent updates include a new OEM Motorcraft 2-barrel carburetor, fuel pump, timing chain and cover, and a rebuilt water pump. The exhaust system has also been replaced from the headers back. The car has no leaks, smoke, or ticking sounds, and while there's some minor surface rust, there's no significant rot. The original build sheet from the factory is included along with a clean title. This Granada is a solid, budget-friendly option for someone looking to drive a classic home. Price is $3,000 or best offer, cash only. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Classic Car Quest for more exciting classic car reviews. See you in the next video.